Alright, folks, we're making midnight run. Wife number one. Fuck that umbrella. Got the Lamborghini. Folks, we're rolling the Angel Burger because I want a Hungarian. And my wife, we had a little argument over whether or not. What's up, man? How you doing?
Oh.
Oh, you got your wife with you? How you doing?
You don't eat balut?
I don't eat no. I don't want no. Well, she want a balut. I don't want no balut.
You don't know balut?
I don't need that balut.
Sarap balut, masarap.
I ate that one time. Folks, we rolling out. Me and wife number one had a big argument. Baby, you want to tell them what the argument was over? We had a big argument because I refused to wear underwear on this little trip. I said it's dark. Balls are meant to dangle. And I said I'm not wearing no fucking underwear to go to Angel Burger and get a motherfucking Hungarian. And she's been yakking me. But we both wearing our Carhartt Real Tree Camo, folks. But I told this girl I am not wearing any underwear to go to fucking Angel Burger. I'm not dressing up. It's not gonna happen. I'm letting them dangle. Baby, why are you mad at me for not wearing underwear? You know what I mean? I'm rolling in the Lamborghini, folks. We headed out to get goddamn Angel Burgers and a Hungarian and some Heinekens because it's UFC coming on 10 p.m. And I'm gonna be watching it on that bootleg website because I can't afford to fucking pay for it. Shit. That's the way it is. Roll in. Get my 5.0 with the rag top down so my hair can't blow. Baby, why you trying to make me wear underwear? Let me kiss you. But tell all my viewers why I'm supposed to wear underwear to go to Angel Burger. It's outside. It's at night. Nobody's looking at my balls. And they want to hang and dangle. They want to hangle and dangle. Baby. Folks, I got some good news. Fatima has agreed to do a Zumba dance in a bikini for all my subscribers, right?
No.
No? Alright, well, we're still negotiating that one. It's fucking raining here. It's raining here in the Philippines. In Subic Bay. It's been raining for 2 fucking months. So what's new? Nothing. It's raining for 2 months straight. It ain't raining like this down in Cebu, folks. Only in fucking Subic Bay. This video is shaky because I'm shooting on an iPhone. I don't want to bust out my gimbal because it's not waterproof. My neighbors know I drink beer. My neighbors know I get stoned. And Jason, my chauffeur here on the Lamborghini, he's got his wife there because they're in love. That's so sweet, you know. You know your wife loves you when you're driving a tricycle or a taxi or a bus and your wife rolls at you and rides shotgun. You know that's true love, my friends. Coming to you. Baby, why I gotta wear underwear to go to Angel Burger to get a Hungarian? Huh? Police didn't tell me I gotta wear that. But look, they're going on the police right here. Ask the police if I got to wear underwear to go to Angel Burger. I don't think so. And there ain't no sign on 7-Eleven that says no shoes, no shirt, no drawers, no service. Baby, you love me? Give me a kiss. Look, we're so cute. Give me one more big kiss. I love you, baby. Shit. love 7-Eleven, but I gotta go to the Angel Burger, folks, because I want to order some Hungarians. Fatima, looking beautiful. God damn, Fatima is looking so beautiful. Let's go, baby. Come on, we gotta order a Hungarian. And we gotta see if anybody asks me if I'm wearing underwear. I don't think they're gonna ask. Hello, how are you? I'm making a YouTube video. It's okay, you can be on my YouTube video. I want a Hungarian and get me. Is a foot long if I want to take one?
Yep.
Yeah. I want one Hungarian and and one buy one take one on the foot long, and whatever you want and I take.
Hamburger.
Tell her, don't tell me. That's not a buy one take one.
Opo, tapos tatlong order na lang.
That's a Hungarian. We got a foot long.
Hungarian, foot long.
Why are the Hungarians so delicious? That's the most delicious thing in the Angel Burger, right? The Hungarian?
Yes.
Fatima,
Oh,
you look so beautiful, baby. You know, I was just chilling, working on a video. The babies went to sleep, but I've been drinking pretty much ever since I got my hair cut today. But UFC's coming on tonight. I think the prelims are like 10 o'clock, whatever. At 10 o'clock, I'm gonna be wired into UFC. I said, I gotta get me some more beer and I gotta get me some Angel Burger because I'm hungry. Because these Filipinas, they cook their own food. They cook the baby some food, but I told them earlier, I said, I do not want to taste soy sauce or magic syrup. So you know what they did? They cooked for themselves. And they just said, screw the foreign guy. He don't want magic syrup or soy sauce. Fuck him. We won't make nothing for the guy. So I've been literally drinking Bacardi Gold rum. And I said, okay, you made me go to Angel Burger. You know why? Because these Filipinas want to eat soy sauce and magic syrup every meal. Baby, tell them the truth. Tell them the truth. If you're gonna cook some meat, what are you gonna put on it?
of course, magic sarap.
Folks, we're both wearing our Carhartt. Look, here's a Lamborghini. My buddy Jason and his wife, they're in love. My goodness, that's the way a relationship should be, folks. All right, let me get up in 7-Eleven here with my wife, number one. Oh my goodness, ain't nobody home. Must mean everything is free. Ooh, Fatima's looking deliciously beautiful tonight. All right, folks, look like a liquor selection in 7-Eleven. There's Captain Morgan over there, but they don't got the very old Captain. Shit, it's hard to find cheap stuff. Fatima, stop dancing this. 7-Eleven, baby. That's a big one. Now, why would somebody leave the fucking door open? You know what I mean? Raised in a barn. Close that door.
I need to get us.
All right, folks, I gotta find some beer. Folks, in Southeast Asia, Philippines, 7-Eleven is the center of gravity. It's not just a convenience store. People congregate here, they eat here, they drink here, there's tables. And when you get the music going on, boom, that's rocking it out. And Fatima, rocking, baby, rocking. Here we go. I like to go with the Heineken, the 95 on them big cans right there, but we got the Ching Tao for the 96. And you come down here to the cheap beer, 37. Maybe I should mix it up. So I go with 95 on the big one. All right, let's get a big one here for a delicious beer. And then we gotta back off and go cheap. Oh shit, how much is that grande? Ooh, folks. Now we're down to business. 96 pesos. 96 pesos for the grande. Baby, be careful. You can pandemonium, especially when you come to 7-Eleven and Angel Burger when you're drunk. Are you still mad because I'm not wearing any underwear? Baby, I'm too drunk to handle the money. You keep that money. Handle that, baby. Shit, I'm drinking. Let's look around. 7-Eleven, folks. Got a big gold combo here. Check on the hamburger. What is that? Got hot dogs in there. Got the shoe pal. The shoe pal back in there. And you know what? They got a BPI right here at 7-Eleven. I don't know why I don't come to BPI more often. I got a beautiful wife. Why would I not be smiling? How much?
$241.
All right, folks, $241. That's $5 on that sack of goodies right there. All right, folks, time to roll out. We have accomplished our mission. I got me a grande. I got a Heineken. I'm ready for UFC. I got rum. I got a Coke. Time to hit the Lamborghini right here with the two lovebirds, and we are rolling. Rolling in my 5.0 with the rag top down so my hair can blow. All right, man, back to the Alamo. Yeah, folks, now check out the Divvy Mart. I'm gonna do a video at the Divvy Mart, but my ladies have already been up in there many times. They love that Divvy Mart right there. Why you love it, baby? Son, what?
Cheap.
It's cheap.
Barato.
The Divvy Mart is barato. It's cheap. And Fatima loves to buy shoes, unauthorized purchases. Baby, the king did not authorize those shoes that you bought.
That's only 135 weeks.
I don't care if it's how much it is.
How much you get my coin?
How much are your coins did I get? Baby, that was a tax. That was a tax. Because you yacked me. You yacked me with that big mouth of yours. And you got taxed. But I love you. Give me a kiss. And I wonder, still I wonder, who stopped the rain? This rain ain't never gonna stop in Subic Bay, my friends. Unless you love the rain, don't come to Subic Bay during the rainy season. It ain't like Miami. It ain't like Thailand. It's not like it rains 2 hours a day. It rains all day, all night, every day. Did anybody say anything about my balls hanging low?
Because you're hiding the chair.
Nobody said anything. You're trying to put the underwear on me. I didn't want it. I was fucking rolling commando.